It's been a volatile trading session today when it comes to the benchmark indices, either shifting to the red zone or the green zone. No steady moves as such that you could actually attribute to the benchmark's movements. But look at what broader markets are doing, outperforming the benchmarks once again. Apart from that, you have IT index, you have the auto index, and the pharma pack that is actually outperforming. All three of them are surging over 1% each in trade. But let me take you through the stocks that are buzzing or moving in trade. And first up, I'll talk about Vodafone Idea. Is the second day of gains coming in for that particular counter. This is after the Supreme Court verdict that the stock had seen a knock of about 19% intraday. But today the stock is up 14%, over 14%. That's the most in almost 12 weeks. And also it's its highest level since June 8th. Vodafone Idea, the board is all set to meet tomorrow to consider fundraising options, and because of that, the stock has been seeing a smart up move. Also, there have been reports that are suggesting the Verizon Communications as well as Amazon may look to invest in the company to pick up the stake also. So based on that particular news piece, also you're seeing Vodafone Idea surge. The stock is up for the fourth session out of last five trading sessions. Also, it soared over 120% in the last 52 weeks. That's how Vodafone Idea has actually performed for you. Moving on, I'll talk about Page Industries. The stock actually fell over 4% or almost 4% post reporting a loss in Q1, and also there are reports that Spiro will be probing the allegations against the company. The stock has actually reported a loss of about 40 crore rupees in Q1 versus a profit of 110.7 crore rupees a year ago. Also, as per reports, like I mentioned, Spiro International will probe a report of possible human rights violations by Page Industries. The company has actually come out and denied those allegations, but this is one of the reasons why the stock downfall is attributed to for today. The stock has actually snapped the two-day gaining streak and is down about 5.4% in the last 5 days. If you look at last 52 weeks, the performance has been particularly muted for Page Industries. Apart from that, you have aviation stocks that are buzzing in trade. Both SpiceJet and Indigo are up over 2% each. This is as government has allowed the airlines to increase the number of domestic passenger flights to 60% of the pre-COVID services. Earlier in June, the government had allowed about 45% of the pre-COVID services for these aviation companies. Now it's up to 60%. So SpiceJet is up for a second straight session. Meanwhile, Indigo is up for a fourth straight session. Let me talk now about Banari Amman's Sugars. The sugar manufacturer and power generator is up in over 4 years on back of strong Q1 performance. The company posted a 130% surge in their profits in the first quarter. The revenue from operations saw a growth of about 25% on a year-on-year basis. The strong performance at company's sugar making and power segments led to the sharp surge in the earnings in quarter one. The stock is up for a third day and it has hit its highest level since February 18th. Apart from that, you have Tata Consumers that is actually at record high once again. If you see in the last 1 month, the stock has hit 52-week highs for the 12th time in a row. So that is how Tata Consumers is actually performing. 6% up move is what the stock is seeing. Apart from that, you have Titan that is up in over 3 months, is seeing gains of over 5% in trade. Titan is at its highest level since March 11. So these are the stocks that are seeing good up move in today's trading session.